phone. You're pulling out of a turning on the phone.
He doesn't need Tyson Fury to throw him an offer. I think he'll redeem himself on a different journey. But it's an interesting conversation. Eddie Hearn and Frank Warren are past masters at creating interest. I would suspect, with all due respect to Frank, that the offer that he makes is about as meaningful as writing on a napkin. Because there's so many different moving parts. This is a super fight when it happens. So a super fight, tragically for us in this modern day, does not happen in this country. It happens in Saudi Arabia.
But Frank says otherwise. Tyson Fury's a man of the people. He wants the people to see this fight.
You know that.
Maybe you should be putting your phone down, mate.
See, he's got enough money. So would he not want this on his legacy to say, you know what, I beat everyone, and actually I beat the peanut boy.
You have to listen to the man himself. When you ask him about his legacy, he's not interested in it. He's not interested. He says, I'm a lineal champion, I've done my bit, I'm not interested. Because I've said to him the same thing. You go in there, you clean at 6 o'clock. You are now an undisputed 4 belts champion.
Still not
I'm not interested in my legacy. Anthony Joshua has nothing to offer him.
No, I know, but he's still...
Anthony Joshua is a diminished fighter.
Mining in total, that includes 2 Category 1 mountains in the final 70 kilometres.
I don't think you can make that any more obvious that you were on the phone.
Of the year as well, and when you list it like that, you do wonder what has happened to Dele Alli.
He's on the phone, mate. He's on the phone. He can't concentrate.
Morning, Jimmy. Morning.
You seen that now? Last road.
Oh, it's mob done. Mob done. You got
dangerous.
It is mob done.
You don't like it?
No, ZZ Top and his mates driving around in America now.
Scary stuff. Quite interesting. I think she's taking liberties then, I've got to be honest. All I would do is, you don't have to be uncomfortable, you don't have to have any kind of conflict. Just go in, log into your own account, change the password, and then log her out. Log every other person that's logged in out, and then you take control of it.
Well, she's quite clearly devious. That would blow her out.
Yeah, knock her on the head. Yeah,
before she really rinses you.
He's not seen her or anything, but I'd change the password and just log her out. And then you're done.
Good advice.
Without any conflict at all.
Yeah, blow it out. Get lost. Final letter. No, I throw truckers. Final letter to me. Here we go.
Bed and all of his belongings into the living room, and then the whole living room. Red light camera ahead to his small bedroom. What do I do? I now live in London and don't have a living room.
Honestly, again, you can't put up with that. Life's too short. Just get your mates round when he goes to work, but it sounds as if it doesn't work. But when he goes out in the park for a walk and all that, just get your mates.
As a kid, was you in a box room now, growing up? I was in the tiny.
I was, yeah.
I was in the tiny little
I went to the box room, but I wasn't.
Because I was the youngest, you always think you got the smallest room, didn't you?
Yeah, I know, but that's a kid. Well, you can't put up with that. You get your mates round, when he goes out the door, poof, in you go, bang, out. Out, simple as that. Change the locks. No. Because that's the start of it. It'll get worse. It'll get worse. No, sweetheart.
That's wrong.
Blow him out. Get out. See you later. And coming up, she's going to talk about Marcus Rashford. Could be on his way to Paris.
Talk Sport Breakfast with ArnoldCar.com.
Put your phone down, girl.
Best used car deals.
Ollie's Thank You Finest Burgers.
Because I always struggled with reading, Mum suggested we cook burgers instead. I think it was just so I'd read the recipe again and again. She's clever like that.
Make your own with Tesco Finest Ultimate Brisket.
Gets off
and
your
truffle
phone and you'll
made
be able
with
to be in the
succulent
right lane.
bits
You
of
can
prime
concentrate a
Aberdeen
little bit
biscuits.
more.
Now just £2.50 with your Tesco Club card or app. Food love stories.
Look at the way she's driving when she's on the phone. Look at her. She's all over the place. She's just staying in the outside lane.
608 service suggestion excludes NI.
Sometimes running a trade or construction business can feel like working out in a sauna filled with wasps. But Xero accounting software can help. You can quote.
Fans took to social media to complain about the extortionate price of drinks. A pint coming in at £7.50.
What it is epoxy
Gonna pay that.
fucking.
They didn't fancy doing it, and quite rightly. West Ham don't set the prices or profit from the catering. at
Why,
the
mate?
stadium, which is under
You
the
know
terms
exactly
of
what
the
you're doing. Stop
tenancy.
looking at your phone.
PSL and other leagues in a couple of months. I think he'll start to be involved in all of that, and then he's on the road to superstardom. That lad.
You were talking about the idea of the clubs in
Another one.
communities where there
On
is
the
a
phone.
high,
Just
number
sitting
of,
there on the phone.
South Asian people in the
Phone.
community.
These cars are all
Work that is being done
got
there.
hands-free in
One of the big
nowadays.
issues has been the fact that there's
Tommy McCarthy. Now, Tommy McCarthy lost and beat Turkey on a split decision and Paul KO'd him in 4, both in 2000.
Most have to be as good as a midfielder. You know, people like Edison, I see them with the ball at the feet and they worry me. They do. Like, I've seen Edison do a Cruyff turn on his goal line before. I'm thinking, where on earth does that come from to be able to have the confidence to be able to do that? It's a different level of
Head
confidence.
down, looking at her phone
I think
while
I'm
she's
probably
waiting
looking
there.
down played football in the time when I didn't need to.
Get off the phone, mate. Get off the phone and you won't be driving on my side of the road. You can probably concentrate a little bit more.
Get up to 10% off every order. Even
His voice changed. Okay, so we are going to move on to the last round, and it is all to play for because this is a new round. It's called You What Ref. It's 3-1 at the moment, but you're going to get points for each of these correct answers. So I'm going to give you each 1 minute to describe to me as many objects or people as you can. You're going to give me loads of clues, but what you can't tell me is the word. You can't say it sounds like, you can't say it rhymes with.
Yeah.
We're only allowed one pass
What the fuck
each
was that all
in
about,
this round. Get it?
Yes.
Come next to me and then don't do it.
So it's 3-1 at the moment. Annie McCoist, you two are both banking on me being good at this.
Yeah, that's what it is. We're going to take it. Cool.
Annie McCoist, a minute on the clock, please. Let's go for it.
Right, I'm speaking into one right now.
Microphone.
Flat jockey, great friend of mine, Italian surname.
Frankie Dettori.
Gaza Satin in Hong Kong and they poured drink
Dentist
down.
chair.
My old club in the northeast of England.
Rangers. Oh, in East Sunderland, sorry.
Yep. It's not Ibrox Park.
Just playing on his phone. It's not in a cradle.
The biggest rivals.
Celtics ground.
Yep.
Oh my god, I can't think of it.
He's a nuisance. He's a Spurs fan. He comes on the show in the morning.
Jamie, oh my god, did I get it? Celtic Park?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you got
Sorry.
it. The best man in television ever does all the wildlife programmes. He's just
Dave
amazing.
Nesbitt.
Yep. The club that I played for.
Rangers.
Yep. It's a baker, candlestick maker, guy I played with.
Butcher.
Yep. First name.
Terry.
Yep. Morning show host for 20 years, the best ever.
Alan Brazil. Is that it? Is that a 10 out of 10?
Look, they're despondent in there. They're absolutely despondent. Look at them.
Okay, right, so that's 13 points then. And Bayo's got 1 at the moment.
It's irrelevant. If you get 10, I still lose.
I'm going to try my best. I'll try and get 10.
But anyway, we're going to finish strong.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to finish.
It was just a clean break. Sometimes it's not a bad way to go about it. You know
Put
where
the
you
phone
stand
down,
in
mate.
the long term.
There's a bit there. No, you just carry on going, didn't you? Did you not see that bit? Oh, well, you wouldn't, would you, on your phone? That bit right there. Right there where you should have gone in. There. Right there, but you're on your phone, so you won't be able to see it. Won't be able to concentrate enough. Look at that great big gap.